Hey, that was just R1, and now we have a whole lot of new features and enhancements. We are SSAD03. Our client for this project is Mr. Jayant Rasamsetti from Jibba. Our mentor is Mr. Saurav Sarangi, and our team consists of Anubhav Sen, Ananya Trivedi, and myself, Vignesh Chenthil Kumar. A chatbot, that's a mantra. It automates the tiresome search for answers on the FAQ pages of most websites and makes it a whole lot more fun. So this is our project plan. Our project plan involves the following tasks. Firstly and most importantly, we had to set up an initial meeting with the client. This was followed by understanding the requirements and objectives that the client expected from us. We then had to set up a GitLab repository and add a client into it. We then had to do the project concept and project plan documentation, which was due by week 3. Then we had to choose a suitable bot from the wide varieties of bots available online and start training the bot to answer simple questions. We then had to design and create an interactive user interface on which we would then proceed to deploy the bot plugin. Next, we had to do the SRS test plan, design, and the status tracker documentation. We had to then start training the bot to answer domain-specific questions. Next, we had to add a button to enable human interaction so that the customers have a fallback option. We then added a database to store the logs of all the communications taking place in the FAQ bot. And lastly, we added a provision to extract and store the email addresses of the customers. So, the following are the features for our chatbot, starting with the embed feature. So here the chatbot had to be embedded into the website that we had designed. Next, the train feature. The FAQ bot had to be trained and programmed in AIML to answer the domain specific questions and cater to the requirements of the customers of that particular domain. Next, the chat feature. In addition to answering the FAQs posed by the users, the bot could also engage in casual conversations with the customers. Next, we had the extract feature, in which the bot could extract useful information from the users in a very friendly manner. Lastly, we had to implement the recommend feature, in which the bot could provide recommendations to the user so that they could choose from the most asked questions. So, as mentioned earlier, these were the tasks that we were supposed to complete before R1, and we have managed to complete it all. And now these are the tasks that were due for R2, and we have managed to complete these as well. So as mentioned earlier, these are the requirements that we were asked to meet, and yes, we did complete them. The bot has been trained and embedded in the website. The bot can now make normal conversations with its users and can also extract contact information from them in a very user-friendly manner. The bot can also determine the most frequently asked top questions to the bot. After a lot of discussion, we decided that the bot has to be customized and personalized to meet the needs of each and every client individually. And so the questions recommended by the bot will be as specified by the client.
So, what's next for our bot? It's smarter, more human, and it's market ready. These are the technologies we have used They are the same as the ones we have used for R1. We have also used a new technology, Level DB. It is a key value DB which is very simple to use and it fits our needs perfectly. The value in this database is the queries which are put into the bot, and the key is the timestamp when it is queried. Now let's take a look at the demo. This is the interface of the bot which we built. This is the bar where you ask a question and that's where you ask it. This is the button which is a fallback option for the users in case they try to ask a question which the bot can't answer satisfactorily. For now it is going into the messenger website, and the client can specify where exactly we want it to go. As you can see, this is the chat interface. Let's start by typing something. What's your name? And it answers. Let's give it some information, like let's say I like the color green. Seems nice. I am from Hyderabad. I am a doctor. My name is Anubhav. Now let's see if it remembers what I told it previously. What's my name? What's my favorite color? What's my favorite color? It remembers. My favorite band is Maroon 5. What season is it now? It got that right too. What day is it today? That's right. Tomorrow? That's right as well. How many days until Christmas? Yep, this was recorded on the 25th of November. You are seeking knowledge. This is just a question. It can make quite witty comebacks. You talk too much. Now let's ask some questions specific to the sites we are training it for. When do I get a refund? This is the answer which our client wants the bot to give. My coupon code isn't working. This is the answer we expected and that's what we got. What is the capital of Italy? Some information questions, and it knows that. What is the capital of Telangana, which is Hyderabad. We have used a key value store for our database. We have two databases, one for the queries themselves and one for the emails extracted. This is the query logs. The key is the timestamp at when it was asked, and the value is the query itself. And these are the email logs. Any email which is a part of a query gets extracted and stored here. Even this has a timestamp next to it.
As our demo just now showcased, we have successfully incorporated all the features that we promised during R1. But is that all we did? No. We went ahead and found ourselves a website for our bot. That's right, we are currently in talks with Fit Meals, which is a well-known and unique food delivering site. If all goes well, our bot will soon be deployed on their site. We chose this particular website because it is unique and so it raises more questions amongst its user base. Thus, our bot will be used to its full potential. Now, we don't plan on letting this bot take a seat on the shelf and gather dust. We have more plans for it. Our future plans. We'll add a review and suggestion part to the bot so that people can review the Fit Meals website and they can improve it accordingly. There will be a detailed analytics performed on the logs that we have incorporated into the bot, and so we can make the suggesting part of the bot even better. And now a video showcasing all that we have done, including R1 and R2.
This is the button which is a fallback option for the users in case they try to ask a question which the bot can't answer satisfactorily. For now, it is going into the messenger website, and the client can specify where exactly we want it to go.